Understanding the phrase, without a sound. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, without a sound. This phrase is used often in both written and spoken English, and understanding its nuances can really help in grasping the language's subtleties. So, let's get started. Without a sound literally means to do something silently, without making any noise. It's often used to describe actions that are done quietly or stealthily. For example, the cat walked across the room without a sound. Here, it emphasizes the cat's silent movement. Beyond its literal meaning, without a sound can be used figuratively. It might describe a situation where someone leaves or changes without drawing attention. For instance, he left the company without a sound, implying he left discreetly. This phrase is frequently used in literature and everyday conversation. In storytelling, it can create a sense of mystery or stealth. In daily communication, it might be used to describe someone's unobtrusive actions or presence. There are variations like, not a sound, or, without making a sound, that carry similar meanings. For example, she entered the room without making a sound, has the same implication as our original phrase. Sometimes, without a sound appears in songs, movies, or books, reflecting its wide usage in English. Recognizing this phrase in pop culture can help in understanding its connotations and usage. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, without a sound, more confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, mastering these phrases adds color and depth to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.